Hey everyone, it's Cheryl here to talk about one of our newest and possibly longest awaited innovations, Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. We believe that good cleansing is the cornerstone of good skincare. And we created Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser to simplify and transform your everyday routine. When you cleanse properly, every next step of your routine will work that much better because you've laid the correct foundations for your other treatments and your makeup for that matter to perform at their best. What makes Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser different is it's enriched with a powerhouse combination of amino acids, antioxidants, and botanical brighteners to give your skin the replenishment it needs to keep you glowing. It was so important to us to create a cleanser that was not only hydrating, but also non-stripping. We all know the feeling all too well of using an overly abrasive cleanser that leaves our skin feeling flaky and taut. Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser is specially formulated to provide a deep clean to the skin without stripping it of its natural and necessary emollients. As a result, your skin will feel clean and reinvigorated, but without any feelings of uncomfortable tightness. Rapid Repair's formula features an advanced combination of antioxidants and botanicals, including THD Ascorbate, sea kelp extract, Proline, glutamic acid, licorice extract, and allantoin. Not only will it hydrate and brighten the skin, but Rapid Repair is also perfect for everyday cleansing to remove makeup and clear the skin of pollutants, impurities, oils, and debris. To use, simply dampen the skin and apply in circular motions. You can then go on to rinse with warm water to reveal a softened, renewed complexion. Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser features a clean beauty vegan formula free of mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and gluten. And as always, with Dermalect treatments, you can trust that it's cruelty-free. After years in the making, we are so excited Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser is finally here. We can't wait for you to experience it yourself and make it a mainstay in your skincare routine. If you have any questions about Rapid Repair, feel free to reach out to our Dermalect customer support team where you'll be connected to a beauty specialist. Or if you prefer, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.